Hi everybody, my name is Marlene. Who wouldn't mind living next to a landfill? Imagine a pile full of trash right next to your house. That's pretty gross. Why recycle? Well, recycling is the answer to most of our problems, and there's a lot of them that includes recycling. And I believe that it should be mandatory. I know that many people aren't aware of how bad our world could get if we don't recycle, and that is why I'm here today. I recycle as much as I can. I help my mom save cans, plastic bottles, any material basically that can be resold. She saves a bunch of them, and when she has what she thinks is enough, she goes and sells them. People worry that we might run out of resources one day. Well, we won't if we keep recycling. There are many people out there recycling, I know, and they're doing the best they can too, and I really appreciate it because I think we should all work the best we can to save our planet and, you know, keep it healthy and clean. According to Zeller 2008, it does make sense to recycle because creating new products costs us more than we think. It costs us greenhouse gases, water pollution, and high demand for energy. And that is not all the problems. Nothing in this world can compare to how bad we treat it. And right now, there's a recycling program going around. It's called Zero Waste, which means to produce less waste. It's going across the nation, and it's in school cafeterias, national parks, restaurants, stadiums, and corporations. The reason why it's going around, though, is because it finally hit people that it cost, not it cost, it's difficult now to get permits for new landfills, and the organic decays in landfills are producing methane, which is one of the reasons for global warming. It makes the Earth atmosphere warmer every time. Facts. That's one of the facts. Got more facts for you. Americans dump 4.6 pounds of trash each day per person. Now imagine how much trash that is in a week, or a month, or a year. That's a lot of trash. And it happens every day just because people don't have time, or they don't make time to do that for their country. We are humans. We make mistakes. Everybody does. But we also know how to solve our problems. And I think we should try harder. Research shows that there are more plastic bottles recycled when bins are placed inside classrooms or when they are placed near consumption areas. And if that is one way to get people to recycle, then we should be placing more bins in classrooms, and we should be placing more bins near consumption areas. If that's the only thing that can get them to do it, why not? Kaufman, 2009, stated that the island resort of Nantucket is not getting worried because they are running out of landfills, and they have to worry now of how much it would cost to ship their trash 30 miles away to a mainland. That should give us a clue that it could be our future. That could be happening to us soon. The use of petroleum for plastic bottles are damaging air and our water quality. Picture how nasty our water could get and how bad it could be for future generations. We are the one that have to step up now and protect the future generations. I want my baby to live in a better world, and that's why I'm doing the best I can. Everyone should do their best for their own good. Time, the time it takes to recycle can't compare to what could happen if we don't recycle. In conclusion, I've included some facts of what happens when we don't recycle and some examples of how we could recycle by placing recycling bins in certain areas. And the facts is how it's hurting our world. The fact that there could be a day that we won't have space for landfills and we have to deal with it and we would have to live around it. Humans should do the best they can to help. We are humans and we all have a heart. Do it for yourselves. Do it for others. Thank you.